Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to import WooCommerce demo products or demo content on your website. Okay, so as you can see, this is my website where is nothing. Actually, this is fresh WordPress installed here. Just I am using my local host, and there is nothing. First of all, you need to be sure that your WooCommerce plugin are activated. Okay, and be sure your WooCommerce has all that required pages. Okay, so right now you can see here just two pages, as you can see, sample page and privacy policy. So I'm going to generate all others required pages, otherwise you can't see anything. So I'm just click here, status and tools, then go here, create default WooCommerce pages. So just click here and it will automatically generate some pages for you which is necessary to display your shops and my accounts, etc. So as you can see here, no products were found matching your selection. That means you have nothing, you have no products. So I'm going to import dummy content, as run importer and choose file. So as you can see, this is my local machine. I'm running my WordPress. So first of all, go to plugins and WooCommerce. Okay, here it is, sample data. So select this one, sample products XML file. So open and upload and import and wait until it's finished. Okay, after a few moments you can see all done. Have fun. So all the products are imported now. So you can check from here, products. You can see here 18 products are imported. So now if we go here, shop, boom, you can see a lot of products here. So for test purpose, you can import dummy products and dummy content here like this. Thank you for watching my video.